Heart-healthy foods for summer. Summer is the time to relax and enjoy the sunshine, but it's also a season when you need to take extra care of your heart health. To help you out, we have compiled a list of 8 heart-healthy foods that are perfect for summer. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain a healthy heart and stay cool during the hottest months of the year. Watermelon. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit that is also great for your heart. It contains lycopene, an antioxidant that can help protect against heart disease. Watermelon is also high in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent heart attacks. Blueberries. Blueberries are a sweet and tasty fruit that are packed with antioxidants. They are especially rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Blueberries are also high in fiber, which helps to reduce cholesterol levels. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a versatile fruit that can be used in a variety of dishes. They are high in lycopene, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin A and C, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Salmon is a fatty fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Salmon is also a good source of protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass. Avocado is a delicious and nutritious fruit that is high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats can help to reduce cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Avocado is also high in potassium, which can help to regulate blood pressure. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with nutrients. It is high in vitamin A and C, which are important for maintaining a healthy heart. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, which can help to regulate blood pressure. Nuts. Nuts are a great source of heart-healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They are also high in antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Almond, walnuts, and pistachios are some of the best nuts for heart health. Green tea. Green tea is a refreshing and healthy beverage that is rich in antioxidants. It contains catechins, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Green tea is also high in flavonoids, which can help to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation.